Essay on Nationalism. Introduction. Nationalism means love for one's country and pride in being a citizen of it. It teaches people to care for their nation, respect its culture, and work for its progress. Nationalism is important because it unites people and helps them stand together in good and bad times. For students, learning about nationalism builds respect for the country and encourages them to be responsible citizens. What nationalism means in daily life. Nationalism is not only about words, it is shown through actions. Respecting the national flag and the national anthem is a simple way to show love for the country. Following laws, keeping public places clean, and protecting public property also show care for the nation. Students showed nationalism by studying well and becoming good citizens. Helping others during natural disasters and supporting people in need are also an act of nationalism. These actions make the country stronger and more united. Nationalism and unity among people. A nation is made of people from different regions, languages, and cultures. Nationalism teaches us to respect these differences and live in peace. When people feel united, they work together for common goals. For example, during festivals of national events, people come together to celebrate. During hard times, people support each other. This unity helps the country grow and face challenges. Respecting others and avoiding hate are important parts of true nationalism. Healthy nationalism and responsibility. True nationalism is positive and caring. It does not mean hating other countries or people. It means loving our own country while respecting others. Citizens have duties like voting, following rules, and helping the community. Students can show responsibility by saving water, keeping the environment clean, and speaking politely. When people act responsibly, the nation becomes strong. Healthy nationalism builds peace and progress. Conclusion. Nationalism is love and respect for our country, shown through good actions. It teaches unity, responsibility, and care for others. By respecting the nation's value and helping society, we become good citizens. True nationalism is about building the country with honesty and kindness. When each person does their duty, the nation grows stronger and happier. Friends, if you found this essay helpful and informative, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need an essay on any other topic, please let me know in the comments. And once again, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching the entire video.